Hey everyone, this is Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to do one of the plant stand that I got inspired by one of the YouTubers called Fab Hacks, and I loved her plant, one of the plant stand that she made. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to add my twist to it, and I'm going to do it my way. But the inspiration is her video. So I'm also going to post her video in the description box for you to just view. She has like several plant stands, so I got inspired by one of them. So I got all the stuff that I wanted to make this plant stand. So what I need actually is the mini cordial glasses. They're from Dollar Tree. There are six of them, and what I did to save some time, I painted them gold, and because it needs some time to dry, so to save some time I just painted it. And also one of the wall hanging, so I got this from Dollar Tree again, and I painted the inner, and I'm going to leave the borders like that because it's got like nice white, gray, and golden colors to it, so I'm going to keep it like this. And I also got four of the plungers. So I removed that plastic part, and then I spray painted gold, and then I had the sticker and I painted white. So because I wanted to give white and gold, so I painted white, the midway, like maybe I'll say like a 1/4 of the wooden piece I painted white. So I wanted to keep it that way. And I also have a plaque that I got from leftover from Dollar Tree after Mother's Day. So I got this one. I'm not going to paint it because it's already white and it's got nice flower design to it. So I'm going to keep it like that on the top. So this is how I'm going to decorate. So these are the things I want, and I've already prepared it. So let's get into the project. So this is the final result, you guys. The plant stand. So everything is from Dollar Tree, you guys. Both the wooden plaques and the foot is from mini cordial glasses, painted gold, and the rods are from Plunger, painted gold and white. And what I did was, like, I just used combination of super glue and hot glue so that it is secure tight if I wanted to place it outside in my front porch. And this can be used in combination both the ways, like you can use indoors and outdoors. So depending on the season, I'm going to place it indoor and outdoors. So yeah, for now I'm going to place it indoors. So this video is again inspired by Fab Hacks, and thanks to her. And I added my twist, and I like the white and gold. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. And this is actually the vase that we did few days back. I had like a candle votive holder inside and then the fairy inside, and I'm going to put her in the bottom rack. And the top, you see, that is the planter that I got from Dollar Tree, the flower pot. It was beige in color and it has got like nice ridges on it. So I spray painted metallic silver and I'm using that for an indoor planter. So yeah, this is how I'm going to arrange inside. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out, guys. I hope you also enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share, and also click on the bell icon for more notifications on more videos like this. And please let me know your suggestions and thoughts on this video, so that will help me in improving my channel. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.